Hi guys, it's Dr. Raymond. Happy Friday and congratulations for making it through yet another week. I don't know about you, but I'm so happy to see Friday. I'm actually working Saturday, but oh well, I'm still happy that it's Friday. So thank you for watching my YouTube channel and welcome to, I don't know what episode it is. Just welcome to my vlog as you follow me as I start my own practice. And I am here in the building in an empty exam room once again. So I came this morning to meet the IT team. We decided to meet at 8 o'clock this morning. They were going to do a walkthrough and make sure that all of the equipment suits my needs here in this office. And I was running late. Traffic was absolutely horrendous. So I gave them my cell phone number, you know, in case they had any questions, couldn't find the place or needed anything. And then I emailed him this morning like an hour early because I was stuck in traffic. I could already tell it was just absolutely horrific. So never showed up. So I don't know. But anyway, I had other things to do. I packed up the place. But then I packed up some more furniture that I had delivered to the house because the building wasn't ready yet. And so I brought that here. But the main thing that brought me here is this signage situation. So there's a monument sign outside. This is a picture. And then there's lettering on the door that says the previous physician's name and some other stuff, I guess his practice name. And so the landlord gave me the information a couple months ago to the company that typically does all of the signage for them. So I asked for a quote and they asked, oh, well, do you want us to remove it? And I said, yes. $550 to remove some vinyl lettering. Okay, and then they were still gonna charge me like over $200 to put new lettering like on the door and the monument sign. The monument sign isn't even at a height. No one has to get on a ladder or do anything. And I'm just like, almost $1,000 for what? You know, so we're gonna go check out this little situation here and see if I'm able to remove the lettering myself. So, okay, so this is the vinyl lettering here on the door that they want to charge me a ridiculous amount of money for. So we're gonna see if I can remove that. This is the monument sign here. And mine is supposed to go second from the bottom. But like I said, we're gonna see if I can remove this myself. Okay. So you guys saw that. I'm definitely not paying out of pocket. So we're gonna take a trip to Home Depot and see if we can purchase some cost-effective equipment to help us out and remove this lettering. So I'm in Home Depot and the sales associate was virtually useless. So I don't know, I'm just probably gonna get a scraper. We'll see. Let me see. I'm not sure what kind would be best. Maybe this type of spatula type of thing. I don't know. And the grand total is $18.03. Hope this works. So yeah, that sales associate couldn't have been less helpful if he had tried to be. But these are the items that we purchased. And you saw my grand total was $18. And that was, I included some packing tape for my home needs. And then some other stuff. So pretty cost effective. And I'll show you some of the things that I got. So this is a scraper, two types because I wasn't sure. And then this is something called Goof Off where it's supposed to be an adhesive remover. So yeah, I hope this works. We will see. So consensus is success. I successfully removed the indoor lettering and the outdoor lettering. Did have one epic fail. Apparently the including me. The mini scraper that I had, the guys are still working on the building, so he comes out there and he sees me just like scraping my little heart out, and I bought that, I can't remember the name of it, but the stuff to get rid of the adhesive. And he's watching me and he's like, something's not right. And he takes the blade from me and he's like, you might want to turn it upside down. Then it went by so much more quickly. So overall, it took me like an hour and 20 minutes. If I had been using the blade correctly, it probably would have taken me like 45 minutes. So yeah, and maybe a little less time than that because it is super hot outside. I know, like, the traffic is rolling by while I was taking the monument sign. I know they're like, what is she doing? But anyway, I'll show you the finest product and you can be a judge. Clean as a whistle. I did an amazing job. Ooh, would you look at that? And it's double-sided, so I did both sides in this heat. It has to be like 90 something degrees. Amazing. So yeah, saved about what, $600–700, and I don't even know if I'm gonna let them put any lettering on. I may just do it all myself. It's not rocket science. So anyway, moral of the story, do your own research and you will save a lot of cash. So with that being said, I hope you guys have an amazing Friday. As always, be well, and I hope you have a great weekend, and I will see you bright and early Monday morning as we conclude our faith series for our Rise and Grind to Shine bright and early Monday morning inspiration. I'll see you soon.